Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambie. I am back yet again one more time. Please forgive me. I have not been able to post videos for the past 1 year as I had been working on personal projects. I have been up to a lot of things, and even though I have not posted a video for 1 year, I have received an overwhelming support from people all over and so many media houses. So I have a lot to share.
So, my husband and I moved to my village in Meghalaya as my parents are really old and needed someone around. My parents are 1947 born, they are that old. So, Sunny used to work at a university and I as a school teacher. We quit our jobs and had to move here. There were doubts at first on how we were going to make a living, as none of us had ever lived or worked in a rural setup before, let alone in a remote village in a mountain amidst forests with no proper road access for 7 months of a year. Most of all, we were worried about our daughter, Avira's schooling, as she had just turned 3 years old. So we started everything from the scratch, adopted a defunct school and made it functional again. Our daughter's schooling was sorted, and along with it the needs of 65 other children from the village as well, who otherwise would have had to move to a nearby town or city, which is simply not viable as most of the villagers are farmers and can't afford to stay away from their lands.
South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica.
Which continent do we live in?
With the help of the state government, we set up an essential oil distillation unit to manufacture and supply aromatic essential oils. Production is in full swing now, and we plan to launch our product very soon. We also are doing a lot of food processing and recently launched our product, Akawe, on a pilot scale and are in the process of increasing the scale. And finally, very soon, I will be setting up a homestay so that you guys can come and pay a visit to this remote mountain village and spend some time in peace in this greenery. In doing all of this, we've had our highs and lows and blows, but we are hanging in there. I am confident all of it will be worth it at the end.